Welcome back everyone to another Shiba Inu update. I hope you're doing well. This has been absolutely incredible. This is a little different update because I closed my position and I will talk a little bit about why I decided to close. And for that, it's better if we bring the Fibonacci. So here it is. The all-time highs is around here, 5,000. We broke this yesterday. And we had even a little retest, like I said in the last video, we had a retest intraday and we absolutely exploded. And this was the first Fibonacci resistance at 1618. I wanted to sell a little bit below that because I didn't know what was going to happen. And this was too much money to leave on the line here. If we had a 30% drop like we had today, I would lose like $30,000-$40,000. And for me, that was too much to risk it. And even the candle today, it is a huge star candle with these huge wicks. And it means uncertainty because people have no idea what is going to happen. There is so much volume that we could do basically anything and nobody can control the price alone. And that's why I didn't want to stay because for me, it's not clear. You know, when I entered the position around this day, for me, it was very clear that we would go up and we did. And during this whole time, this whole consolidation here, it took like 2 weeks. I was very confident that we would go up a lot. We would break the all-time highs, which we did. It was much faster than what I was anticipating. Actually, for me, it would take like 2 or 3 more days, but it was just a single day. The demand was really out of control. And I do want to show the 1 hour chart now, but just before that, if we stay above, we can reach the next Fibonacci target, which would be 12,200. So here we are at the 1 hour chart. I already traced the Fibonacci from the beginning of the breakout to the new all-time high around 9,000. First of all, the most important thing to consider here is that we had this blow-off top where there were a lot of liquidations. You can see the volume here was very high because people were just liquidated. We had a huge short squeeze. And that usually marks a local top at least. And we tried to go above, it didn't happen. And then we had this huge retest all the way to the 0.5 Fibonacci, which we found support. And then we started going up again. But now it seems like we had another top. And as we speak, we might start falling again. So that's why I'm just waiting on the sidelines. But if we do fall, some target that we can think about is the 618, a retest to this level, which was the old all-time high at 5,000. So around this level could be a very interesting time to buy. But like I said, this is completely uncertain. The volume is through the roof. Anything can happen. Shiba Inu actually has a higher volume than Bitcoin for the last 24 hours. By the way, Shiba Inu now has a higher market cap than Dogecoin. We talked about that possibility in the last update, and it did happen. But Dogecoin is still going up, so it's a little bit of a dogfight. We'll see which one will prevail. And the last thing I want to mention was that Coinbase went down while Shiba was making new all-time highs around this 8,000, 9,000. So that was the worst time possible. People could not buy, people could not sell. So that goes to show that Coinbase is not a reliable exchange. Not only that, Coinbase fees are completely out of control. For example, if you buy $10, you pay 10% in fees. That's why I always recommend Binance. It is more reliable, it is safer, and it is cheaper. So you save a lot of money as well. I really don't understand why people still go to Coinbase. If you still don't have a Binance account and you want to sign up, you can use the link in the description. You will get 10% off your Binance trading fees for life, plus a $100 sign-up bonus, which you can use to offset fees. So while we watch here, the price goes toward my sell order. I just want to thank you guys, really, because the initial investment, the 3,500 that I put in, was all from referrals from you guys, from using the links. This trade here, which was the best trade of my life in terms of percentage, in terms of actual profit, was only possible because you used the links, you got the discount. I get commission as well. So that's one way to support my channel and allow me to make these type of videos. For me, it was a real pleasure to have you guys on board during all this time, during all this trade. This whole month of October has been absolutely wonderful. It was a really unique situation, and I hope you made a lot of money. You went along with the ride. I might make more Shiba Inu videos, but don't expect them in the near future because I want to take a break. I need a break after all this time. They're not getting as much traction as the first ones, and I think there's so many people talking about Shiba Inu that my updates are not really necessary. But either way, it was a pleasure to have you here. And I need to think about what the hell I'm going to do with my life because I don't even know where I'm going to live next month. Yeah, I think overall my predictions were, I wouldn't say they were spot on, but I think most of the things that I talked about, they did happen. I think I was right to have that confidence that we would go up because it's not something that happens every day. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.